To facilitate the movement of a game object using both vertical and horizontal input, the most straightforward approach is to utilize the input.getAxis function. Begin by defining two variables to capture the input values. These variables will store the values retrieved from the input.getAxis function. To get input.getAxis, you should copy the name field related to horizontal and vertical. It is in the Edit, Project Setting, Input Manager, Axis. And copy the name. Assign the retrieved values to the respective variables. After that, they should be included in the code related to moving the game object. After pressing the play button, you will be able to move the object using the W, A, S, D keys, as well as the arrow keys.